Hello everyone. Today we will implement. Today is the day 3 we are starting. So we're going to work on 1 second. Hold on 1 second. The contest problem, same contest problem we will going to work on, and the problem we left out on that day. So let's see where we left out that. This is the problem. I think maximum total survey value 1. 6 days ago we implemented this. So let's check it once. What we committed. No, I think we did not submit it. Let's go to the contest page, and here I will see this was the contest problem. So please share your views and comments. If you like, if you want to share some inputs for me to improve my stream or anything, so you can share your comments below. If you are looking at the video after the stream over, then also it's fine. uh, Not this question. I think today the voice is clear. There is no noise much. Submissions. Uh, let's see my the submissions. What submissions I did. Okay, this is the last submitted value. I think no need to see the data. Yes. So we need to focus on this specific problem, and I am seeing that my screen is pretty visible. The blur, little bit blur. I am seeing. Why? Do you want me to increase my? Yes, it's little bit low. Yes. I think screen is pretty large because I am sharing my screen through monitor. So yes, this is clear now. I'm able to see it clearly. All the thing. So we need to break it down. Let results be like this. Okay, put this like okay, that's fine. Test result, the code is one side, so it will be better to. So we need to analyze this solution. We already code this, so we need to analyze this. Why it is throwing us the wrong answers? If we run it, we are getting one case right answers, and one case we are getting wrong answer. Right. Let's put a timer for it. So we will stopper started. So we will timer. We will give 1 hour timer. Yes, obviously starting the timer now. We will give 1 hour timer, and in 1 hour we will try to complete this problem, whatever is the problem. Okay, just give me 2 second, 1 minute. Let me get some water and we can start working on it. So, we can okay, like you can see the second problem, it failed. Let us know why it failed in the second problem. Expected it's 12, but we are getting 9. But then the question arises, how it come past in the first case. So let's see like why it is fast in the first problem. So let's debug it. I think I need a scale draw also. No, not this. Sometimes quality is decreasing. This is pretty low quality if you are watching in. Good now. Go to that side. Can't go. It is small. Switch the tabs. I think. You'll do it like this. Better just switch the tabs. This is better. Okay. So we given 132. Let's go line by line debugging. You can't move like you can move like this. So I think here can start a new. Okay, let's okay, here what we are creating a big array. We created a big array. The question if you need to have question. So test case, let's go to test case. Case one would be successful already. Let's write it down. One comma three comma one comma three comma two. Index above 0 0 space 1 space 2 0 1 2. Okay, this is the hmm. Now if a sound not audible, please let me know. I'm listening my own voice from last 10 minutes, so I'm muting it. If sound not audible, please let me know. I will try to clear it. Okay. Okay. Hmm. Let's create a big array. First it will create a big array. First line will execute, it will create a big array, right? Big array created. 132 came. First big array created. Okay, let's get it. Big array created. Okay. Now n equals to length of lumps. So what is the value of n equals to have, and have how much? 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. N equals to 3. Try to range of n. So we will go from I equals to 0 to 0 till 2 till n till 2 will run 0, 1, 2, 3. So then when you execute and go inside it, so now I operation started. Ice operation started, and we go inside it and we created a sub array. Then um, then it comes to j came, right? j j in range of I comma n. Currently I equals to 0. If you think like this, currently I equals to I equals to 0, right? Then sub array created. Hold on for few minutes. Some moment. Give me some moment. I'm muting myself. Hope so. Viewers, there is a short break of 10 minutes, I think. We can start now. Let me get you clear. I'm live. My voice is all audible. Okay. So this is a subarray created. After the subarray created, hmm, created subarray, then j came. J equals to 0. J equals to I, means I equals to 0. Now equals to 0. Correct. And it will go till n, means till 2. So now we will append the subarray. So what will happen? Now inside subarray, norms of j. Norms of j, wait one. Norms of j means this is norms. Norms of j means norms of 0 means 1. This array have subarray have 1. Correct. Then what we did? One. Then we copy it to current server. This server into current server. So current current have 1. Right. Then we'll check 1 is in the big array. No, current not in big array. So here currently what will happen? 1 comma 1 big array of this. Correct. If current subarray in big array continue. Else no. We don't have, so we go to else. Done. Then we go to the loop 2. Now j equals to 1. Right? Because started from I equals to 0. Now j equals to 1. So current subarray have current subarray what 1 already there. 1 comma 2. The subarray have, and current have, okay, on current have 1 comma, is that value 1 comma 3. Right, we will check is it present in, then we will check big array. No, it's not in the big array. Then it will go to this. Hmm. Then we will go to which one? Add in the big array. Then it will become 1 comma 1 comma 3. Okay, 3 is the current version of this big array. Then we will go to j equals to 2. Then j equals to 2 means already we have now index in the pointing on the 2. Pointing on the 2 means we need to append it. To append it means append will become 1 comma 3 comma 2. Right, then we will move it to current array. So copy this line, control control C, control 1 comma 3 comma 2. Right, then we will check this array is present or not. If not present, then we will add this. Yes, it's present. Now 1 comma 1 comma 3 comma 1 comma 3 comma 1. Right, this is done. Okay, now we debug this, then this is executing like this way. So I think j is over now. Then it will go to I. Now I will change. Right, now I equals to 1. Correct. Then it will create another subarray. Subarray create. Empty subarray created. Subarray created with empty. Then you will start appending our subarray dot appends. We can put the print here. Wait, after this will be done, right? We will put the print here. Okay, print. We want to see, right, this is printing or not. Print big array, array. Correct. Print big array. Like every time it will do. Then again the loop will be continue. Subarray created. Our appends will start. They will start from 1. They will start from 1 this time. Now they will start from 1. So they will append. So now only 3 will append. Correct. But previously 1 3 2. So if you see the 1 3, then 3 will append, right? J will be this. If any idea, you can ask in a particular time what is the doubt. 3, and then we will go for it. 3 now. 3 inserted in the subarray. Now if we'll check 3 is present in the subarray, we move it to current subarray. Current we will move. Current if we will move, then it will become 3. Right, 3 is coming in the current. Now we'll check if that current of 3 is present in the big array. No, it is not present. Then we will add in the big array. Big array already have 1. So big array already have 1 comma 1 1 comma 1 comma 2 comma space 1 comma 3 comma 2 comma space 3 came. Then we close this big array. Then it's done. Now j equals to 2. J equals to 2. j equals to 2. So 3, this is 3, this is 4, I think. I hope so. This is 4. No, this is now 3 comma 2. Now 3 comma 2, this will add 3 comma 2 in the current subarray. Then we will move it to current it will move, and this will also become now 3 comma 2. Then the problem is starts here. Okay, 3 comma 2. Then we will check, and guess obviously it is not present, then we will add it in the main array. Let's copy this line, type everything, control C, control V, and we will add one more value. What is that? 3 comma 2. 3 comma 2. Then we will close it. 3 comma 2 is come here, and it's done. And then we can again goes to next, next to okay, now it will print this, and we can go to above also. Now I equals to how much? Now I equals to 2. So if I equals to 2, then it is pointing upon 2 only, correct? Points upon 2 now. One from 132, it's point upon 2 now. Subarray is created, subarray again created with empty bracket, and then it goes to j equals to I. That means I equals to 2. That means 2. Point upon 2, it will start appending on it. It's appending means it will add 2 in the empty subarray. Then it will move to current. It will move to current equals to same 2. Then it will check if the current up to in the big array. Yes, it's not in the big array. It's false, and it will move to else block, and it will add this. Then we will add current. All these things will be print. So let's run it and check it is printing that or not. I want to see the test result. So according to us, it is printing or not. Case 1, it is printing 113 132 Yes, obviously it is printing this. Case 2 also same, 442 425 444, final 42 425 4251 2 25 2515. I think all the combination it is printing, right? 2, then it comes 2, then 2 5. But that's the problem here. 4 to 4 to 5 it printed, 4 to 5 1 it printed, obviously. Then it came to 2, then one single array 2 it added. Okay, then 2 5, then it added obviously 2 5 1. Obviously it's not required to add 2 5 4 1. It's not different. It's the same length. It should not be same type of server. It should not be there. Length can be 3 or 4. It's fine. I think here the length is not same never. Different. That's 5. Correct. Yeah, let's go now. 5 5 5 only last 7. Good. Now let's go to the max value. Then let's be created. Then here become part 1 over. Here we will go to part 2. Okay. I think max value you created. Max total value we created equals to 0. Why you created? We already understood in the previous video. Okay. So what the question asked us? First we understood this. Here, before going to the second part, let's understand what the question asked. Description. So question asked us. Yeah, question asked us that return the maximum possible total value. So there can be multiple combinations of the variable sum. Okay. So those sum every. So we need to do the sum of the. So if k equals to 2, so we need to do every two combination sums we need to do. If it's 3, every 3 combination sums we need to do. Whatever the 3 combination sums have the maximum value, that value we need to return. Correct? That is our goal. If it is 5 different combinations would be there. Okay. So then we need to understand like why did it not came. Then we create max total value equals to 0. Then mm, max total value equals 0. Here we created again one more array. So one more loop a in range of length of big array minus k minus 1. So what is the length of big array? Big array len of bg, len of bg, big array equals to how much? 1 2 3 4 5. 5 is the length. No, not 5, man. 3 3 6 is the length. Okay, 3 6 is the length. So we did it what? So our a will go from 0 to k minus 1. Currently k is 2 for this, right? 2 plus 1 3. 6 minus 3 3. No, 0 to 3. 0 to 3. K will go 0 to 3. Obviously 3 included. Otherwise if you see like 0 1 2 3. 0 1 2 3. 6 minus 3 0 1 2 3. 2 will be there. It's not k plus 1, I think. 6 minus 2 4 plus 1 5. K plus 1. Tell right. Length of big array how much? Length of big array is 6. 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2. 4 plus 1. 0 to 5. 0 to 5. 1 0 1 2 3 4 5. 0 to 5. But it will not go till 5, it will go till 4. means 0 to 4 it will go. 3 and 6, 6 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's three places. No, it's not like that, but yeah, 0 to 4. So now a equals to 0. Let's put it here. A equals to 0. A equals to 0. Hmm. Now if a equals to 0, then we find the difference we created, and where we the max of big array of a. Difference of a definitely it will be 0 always. So different difference of a currently. Okay, let's see difference of a equals to 0 initially. Let's take that, and difference of a equals to what will happen now. Max of big array of a. Here big array of a is 0. So big array of 0 equals to 1. Max of big array of 1 is 1 minus big array of a, 1 minus 1. Okay. Minimum also 1, and this will become 0. So final diff will become, okay, then it will move to current total. Current t equals to 0. We will keep it like this. Okay, initial diff is 0 and current t is 0. Then we will come back again. Okay. Okay, then now it's b came, so b equals to b. For b also start from 0. Oh, okay. Why b starting from 0? B should starting from I, right? Okay, let's go through it. Whatever we implemented, how it has work for it. Okay, wait, let's try one second. B starting from a plus 1, from a, b equals to a plus 1. Oh, sorry, we return it, right? We return the range here. Range is a plus 1 till k, right? A plus k. Obviously. From 0 plus 1, 1 till 0 plus k. K is means 5. Like till 5. No, a till 5 means a till 4 it will go, I think. 0, 1, 2. No, if you starting from 1, 2, then it will start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because 1 plus 5, 6, 1 additional always will come, right? 1 plus 2, 3 always be additional will come. 0 plus 2, 2. So 1 plus 2, 3. Then actually it will consider this and this both. Okay. One. This will consider now 2 also. This is 1 line and 2. 2 it will not go. This will be in 1. So now b equals to 1 and it will go till a plus 2. 0, b equals to a plus 1 a plus 1 plus 1 a plus 1 that is equal to 1 for now till a plus k plus 2 0 plus 2 0 plus 2 means one place only it will travel 0 plus 2 here means only one place it will go, correct? One step it will go. So let's found diff of b. Let's take diff of b equals to 0. So here it will print this every time this will print. Let's print this print current equals to print current total sum. This will be current total sum, and if we will go for it, okay. So if you'll see here, current total sum u is capital. This is current total sum. We'll see now diff equals to 0. So okay, let's go to next step. Okay, so we'll print this. So it will print always the current t, that is 0 first when we do it first for this 1, because maximum is 1 and my difference also a minimum is also 1 for this first index. So let's go down. Diff b equals to 0. um what else we can do now? Let's think that diff b is currently 0 and let's calculate the calculate now. Now we do the calculation now. Diff b equals to max of big array of b. Big array of b is 1, starting from 1 it will pointing to 1. So what is the maximum of big array of max of b? Big array is minus and minimum is 1. So this will be the sum total will become 1, and then we will put it in the current t that equals to 1, that equals to 1, and then we will plus equals to 1. Yeah, current, no, this is actually calculating. So previously current t equals to 0, 0 plus 0 plus 2, 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1 equals to 1. So now we are good. Then what we can do? Then we can print this. We can print this current t equals to 1. Print current t. Oh, every time we are not creating, right? Wait, let's put it here. Because current t also, I think every time we are thinking we are creating. Maybe that is something. Let's put it current. I don't know actually. I'm thinking that maybe current is too much slow. One second. Wait, otherwise my screen is lagging off on and off. So let's copy this value. Control C, Control V. Initial it become 0. Next we will not. So it will already declared. So it will just update it, and we will print it here also. Like what different value it is printing, we can able to know. Okay. Now this is done. Then it will go to then it will increment the B. B, yes, it will go to 2. Obviously it will only one step it will go, and next it will go again, go back to A. Now A is how much? A equals to 1. Now A equals to 1, and it is trying to find this one too. Now again same thing, we'll create diff A. Let's think diff A equals to 0 still, because see the thing is that, wait, what we are doing, right? After two value of updation, yes, we are not moving back, we are updating it in the max total value. Sorry. So we are updating this in the max total, then we are going up, right? Then we're checking that if current total value is greater than equals to max total value, obviously 0 is greater than 1, and we updated now max total value, max t equals to 1, because obviously it is greater, and can print this on. Let's print mm, hmm, let's print max total value, max total value, right? No, no, Z, control C, control V. Now it is better. Yes, now we printed the max t. Now max t is 1. I think this is not required, because every time we need to update the current total. So if you will create it is 0, not required, like even if it is updating. Okay, so we don't want like every time we need 1. I thought like once we created, because once we created it will update the same. No, it will not update the same, because once we initial, because every time first time we are initializing, right? So it will replace the value. We are not adding something, we are initializing it. So diff A will do the same, and A when A equals to 1 before, I think this I will pull it down a little bit. Now screen is a little slow, I don't know why. Now let's see what we can do. Yes, now diff B. Now like now diff A, now A equals to 1, and let's find the diff diff equals to 0, whatever will leave, we don't care about it because obviously diff will be incrementing. Now diff we are doing right. Diff a equals to how much, which we are pointing, we are pointing to 1. Okay, now 2 minus 1 will happen. Minimum, 1 is maximum, this means 1, and we will update current t equals to how much, current equals to 2, current equals to 1 we updated. Now we will go to b equals to, we starting from a plus 1, so b is starting from 2, b equals to 2. What is the 2 now? 132. There means there we have two things. Diff b, yeah. Diff b equals to 3, and minimum is 1, that means 2, because obviously 132 means 3 is the maximum and 2 1 is the minimum. 3 minus 1 2, that becomes diff equals to, that makes it how much. Uh, that makes it 2, and then current t already is 1, means 1 plus 2, that makes it 3. Then we will check, it is greater than, yes, it is greater than 1, then max t equals to 3. It's also right. Then what can we do? Then obviously this will only one step, because this become again 3, t is 2, and this a plus k equals to 3. So 2 only one step will go. Then again it will go to, now a will change again. Now a becomes, a equals to 2, like this it will work, and it will update it. Okay, this is the process. So let's run it and see, because if I will type like this 10 different, then it will to a different value. Let's make it big. So case 1, let's make it big little. View more. So it will print all. Okay, then you try to do current total sum. Obviously first one will be 0, second one will be 2, correct, second one will be 2, am I right? Yes, second one will be, no, not 2. Why not 2? Yes, for this minus 1, how 1, and hmm, first total, current total sum, when you print it is 0, it's good, and then it will become 2. How it becomes 2 now? Because we are pointing to now 1 2, so 2 minus 1 1. So current t plus equals to db, then it will become, okay. Now let's print the diff also. Not like this, we will can't print like this. But total sum double quotes. Control V, Control Z. Control C, this whole line copy, Control V. Now let's print that if also. Print, print div a space, oh, array, comma div a. Once and hold on. Let me update something to someone. Let me update something to someone. Wait one. Printing this current div a, and now let's do the same for div b. Well, and I should write what is no print. See, we need to do this process. Otherwise, how can we, like, if we don't do this process, how can we understand? Because we are learning it, so it is a process of learning. The more we will do, then the more we can just put the print statement multiple places and we can able to understand. Div b, mm, yes, comma div b. Yes, now it's fine. Now run it. Div b is 2. How come it is become 2? 1 3 3 minus 1 2. Oh, sorry. Yeah, it is 2. Correct, correct. 1 3 we picked, right. Div b is 1 3, we picked it 2. Obviously. Then div a 2, and this is a 2. Then it will become 1 3. Then it will 2 2. Then this here 2 minus 3 minus 1 2. Then it will become 4. Total sum also become 4. Div a 2, because why 2? Here up 1 3 2, not 3. If here now we are pointing to 3, I think. No, 1 3 2. It's become 4 because d phase 2. Wait, how it become 4? 1 3 bonding to 1 3, which is become 3 minus 1 2 currents total. Here it is pointing to 3 minus 1 2. This also become 2. 2 plus 2 4, right? Now this is pointing to 132 is from 2. This become 3. 3 minus 3 is 0 is 2. It will not print obviously, because if current total is greater than equals to, then only it will execute and print. It will not update. This becomes 4. But what happens here? The final array, obviously, first one is 0, second one is how much? 4 minus 2 2. No. Wait, let make it large. Okay, go for it. dphi is 0, obviously 0. 4 2, db is 2, obviously 2. Then db is 2, current total is 2. Then db become 3 and current total become 5, obviously, because 3 places here it will 5, and this is how much? 2 3. Yeah, 3 plus 2 5. No, one second. Diff become current total is 5 because 0 and 5, yes, 5. So 3 places are done. Now dphi 2, obviously 2, it will pointing to this, and current total is 2. db 3, obviously 5 minus 2 3. First db 3, then current total equals to 5 because probably age 2 and 5. Then db 4. Why 4? Because this is pointing to here. This is 5 minus 4, and current total is 9. Obviously it is 9. Mhm. Do you think first one is mm, occurring with everyone? First one, first 3 done, then it is increment to this. First one should happen with every 2 combinations, right? Yes, first one should executing with every 2 combinations of this. Okay. You don't understand. First one, first 2 done. First one, second 2 should happen. First one, third 2 should happen. It should happen like that. That is a problem. Otherwise, see, the point is how can you know like which 3 combination will be good? First, we are picking the one thing, and below we are picking the 2 things. Correct? This is working for a small. But there also what we are not doing. If you go to this specific thing, sorry, in this case, if you go to this, and if you see the residual here, wait, sorry, case one, if you see, one we are doing with 1 3 1, then 1 3 1 2, then 1 3 2 3 2. It's like that we are doing, right? But no, one with 1 3, one with 1 3 2, one with 1 with 3, one with 3 2. So this should happen. Okay, then how? Then how can we do it? But if you sort by length, so big array, because obviously, because if you see here, small arrays always not having this. If you sort the array with array with the length, okay, of sub array, then the bigger length array will always be. So 132 first will come. It will get you how much? Two. It will get. Then which combination will come? 32 or no, no, 32 1. So for example, let's go to this one. Better expression. It will get. We sorted it. So how can you know like four places? So 4 to 5 1 came, and there we get 4 minus 5 minus 1 4. Okay. Now next biggest 4 to 5 5 minus 1 4, 5 minus 4 1, 1 we will get, and then 2 5 1, 4 plus 1 plus 9, that also 9 will come, right? Then also 9. No, we need to do like this only. So 4 with all three, 4 with, so we need to know this how to do in the brute force way. This specific array, let's pick it out. uh, let's consider this as a 0. Let's pick this big array. Let's think, brainstorm about it. 1 hour over already. We will get let's give more 30 minutes. We'll figure it out. Hmm. Okay, let's do it. Let's pick this whole thing at once. And let's go to this escalator. Okay, let's go down. Paste the bigger. Okay. 0 1 0. Oh, it will come like this now. 0 space 1 space 2 space 3 space 4 space 5 space 6 space 7 space 8 space 9. Okay. length is 9. We need to think. So we need to do, if length is 3, then we need to sum of 0, sum of sum of 0, sorry, def of 0, current equals to def of 0, then def of current equals to, then def of 1, if k equals to 3, k equals to 3, def of 1, def of 2, then current equals to urr equals to d sum def of 0 plus def of 1 plus def of 2. So in this way, this is one pair. Okay, in this way we need multiple def of, then def of 0, def of 3, def of 4, then def of 0, def of 5, def of 6, def of 0, def of 7, def of 8, then def of 0, and will be posted right. Def of 0, def of 1, 2, 3, def of 4, 5, 6, def of 0, 7, 8, 9, right. Then def of 1, 0, 1 already done, right. Def of 1, def of 0, def of 2. No, def of 0, def of 1 and 2, right. Def of 0, def of 3 and 4. Yes, 7, 5 and 6. Yes, 7, 8, 9. So 7 and 8. I think def of 1 and 2 is 1. Okay, def of 0, def of 1 and 2. Def of 0, def of 2 and 3. Def of 0, def of 3 and 4. Sorry, control Z. Def of 0, def of 1 and 2. Okay, def of 0, def of 2 and 3. Def of 0, def of 3 and 4. Def of 0, def of 4 and 5. Def of 0, def of 5 and 6. Def of 0, def of 6 and 7. Def of 0, def of 7 and 8. Def of 0, def of 8 and 9. Yeah, this is one combination, right? 9 and 0 not required. 9 and 0. Def of 0, def of 9 and 0. Same thing. It will not. Yes. Then it will become when def equals to 1, 1, def of 1, def of 1, def of 0, def of 1, and def of 2, current sum. Then def of 1, def of 2 and 3. Def of 0 not required, I think. Def of 1, def of 2 and 3. Def of 3. Sorry, def of 1, def of 3 and 4. Def of 1, def of 4 and 5. Def of 1, def of 5 and 6. Def of 1, def of 6 and 7. 7 and 8. Then 8 and 9, and 9 and 0. That will be a combination. That get me the max sum. Hmm, that will be all combination, right? Yes, 9 and 0. Yes, correct. The currently you are in, right? You need to pick other two. Then you will get the max sum, right? A three combination sum. See how can be the combination will happen? Like how many combinations? 0, 1, 2, right? 1, 2, 3, right? uh 2, 3, 4, right? uh 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, wait, one second. 5, 6, 7, no, sorry, 4, 5, 6, 3. How many combinations? 3 to the power 3. 27 combinations we need to do, correct? Hmm. Okay. Like this, if you do 4, 5, 6, and then 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, we are doing like this, right? 4, 5, 6, we are doing 5, 6, 7, okay, and 6, 7, 8, then a 7, 8, 9. We are doing 3, 3, 6, 3, 9 combination. No, more 3 combination required. More 3 combination will come 0, 1, 2. But you are talking about sub array, right? So sub array means continuous. It can't be like 0, 1, 3. You can't do like that, right? No, sub array we created, but the combination we need to do in a 0, 1, 2. Which 3 sub arrays? Like 4, 2, 5 can be get, right? Yes. I'm stuck here. Let's let's take some break and think. Like what can we do? Let's take a 2 minutes break and then we will think about. So the stream is almost of how much? 1 hour 30 minute streams already happen. So let's close the stream, and we will do it. 1 second. Yes. Let's close the stream, and we will do it in the next next couple of hours. In the next stream, I will explain this point. We will go to the cloud and we will try to implement it. You can try on your own. Like in the how can we implement these 27 combinations, because 3 to the power 9 means 27 combinations required definitely. So we will implement that. We'll see like how can we reach to this point, how can we implement this in a brute force way. So this 27 combination, we will see the cloud, and they will it will give us how can we implement in the loop structure. So we can do it in the next stream. So thank you for joining the stream. uh, Please subscribe. If we like, we can code along, we can learn together. So please subscribe, and in the, every day I'll try to put this like lead code streams every day. We'll try to. Thank you. Every day I'm saying that every day we will try to solve the problem, and mm, and we will learn like how can we, currently we're doing in a brute force way, and how can we convert the this is the part that from the brute force we will try to convert to the logical skill set. We will learn the data structures and all, and then we'll convert our brute force skills. We will build our first brute force skills, and then we'll convert the brute force skills to data structure skills. So thank you.